Hello everyone! So today we will be doing a simple science experiment for kids. So we're using this vegetable oil. So I'll put a half of it. So I'm using a clear glass. And then I'll be adding water also. It's like 1/4 of the 1/4 glass of water. I'll be adding a little bit more. And then we have, can I have this?
I want to do it.
Yes, you will do it.
Pop?
Yeah.
Pop?
So my daughter is dropping it.
Here.
We're using this Equate
Tablet.
immune support. This is effervescent tablet. And let's see the reaction of it.
It's still pink.
Yep. See? So I'm doing it. Look how pretty cool it is. It will be nice if there's a food color, but we don't have any at home. So it's just vegetable oil. Then we use vegetable oil, water, and immune system tablet.
Where is my mommy?
Hmm?
Why is it popping small?
It is big. Look.
It's popping like it.
You see that? It's big.
Can you do it again?
And look how cool it is. So it's so nice. I think using big glass will be better. And then putting some food color, any color you like, you will see much better the bubbles and the reaction of it. So here, what would it look like?
Mommy, can I do it to the ugly one?
Yes, you can do it.
I could do that?
Yes. We have one here also. This is the first one in the small. And we add liquid from beets in the big one, in the big glass. You can drop one more. See? Yeah. Look, so cool. So this is a nice experiment for kids.
I want for a small one.
The other one is so big. Look, the other one's so big.
Can I drop again?
The last one. Okay, let's just the last one. Drop last.
I want one big one.
No, it's enough. We're done. We're done for today. And then we need to find a big glass so that we can make we can do it in a big glass, and then we need to find a food color in the store. But look how cool it is. Look, right here. So thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day, everyone.